Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Penup. You can go to settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Penup and you can click here. Then in this page you will go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click on clear cache. Here you can go to Play Store. You will go to this sign, and here in this sign you can search about Penup. Then if you find updates, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.